right, well, this was the last water source for the next 15 miles before I hit Spooner Lake. Onwards I go. Here we are, made to Kingsbury Freeway. Hey, Pepper Dog! Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Living her best life right now. And right there, it's our trail. Alright, made it across the freeway. Mile 17.78. It's been a slog. Ooh, look at South Lake. Pretty. Alright guys, morning of day 3. I just fell asleep last night as soon as I got into camp really, so didn't get to record that outro, but I'm on that rock I pointed to over on Heavenly, and there's the view of Lake Tahoe and South Lake Tahoe right there over my shoulder. We got a 13-mile dry stretch until we hit Spooner Lake. I'll see you guys later. Alright, I'm 3 miles up from where I camped last night. I have 1.5 liters to get me the next 12 miles for water. No, 2.5, sorry. I have a bladder in my pack, except for 1 liter. I have about 2,000 feet to climb. And status report. I have 2 blisters on my right heel and a blister in the bottom of my left foot. I got liquid tape and all that, and one on the, I guess, my ring toe, my left foot. Super fun to hike in. Alright. Alright. 7 miles in. Made it up to Vista. Oh, isn't that pretty? Can you believe I started behind those mountains? 10 miles behind it. 35 miles in. There's South Lake Tahoe. From 5 miles to go to get water. Alright. I'm thirsty, I got half a liter. Alright guys, probably a half mile from Spooner Lake, and I'm not gonna lie, this last section from Kingsbury to Spooner has been absolutely brutal. It's like 88 degrees up here, and I was just going to pull this out, the camera out, and I was going to talk about how I had that much water left in my Smart Water bottle, and luckily the trail provides. This lovely couple with their dog gave me half a liter of water. And for that, I'm just so grateful for it, because I stopped sweating a while ago, So I'm definitely dehydrated, but a little bit to go and I can fill up. All right, I am less than a quarter mile from diving into Spooner Lake. I don't think I've ever been this thirsty in my life. I ran out of water the last 5 miles. I was like saving the last inch just so I could wet my mouth because of the psychological benefits. Just not having a dry mouth. But like I said, those trail angels gave me some of their water on their day trip. I was so happy and pushed the next mile down to this parking lot trailhead where some other trail angels had cached some water, so I stole another ½ liter. And then from that trailhead, it was a ½ mile from there to Spooner Lake. It's cold. Oh, that felt good.
This lake is pretty warm.
Yeah, it's not as cold as I thought it was gonna be. Now there's all these little fishies swimming around me.
Oh, if you just sit in the water, they'll start to eat.
Ooh.
Kind of nice.
3 days without a shower.
I think we could probably take about an hour here and just relax.
Yeah.
I'm in the water for much longer than an hour. And of course, my feet handle it.
Oh.
Yeah, that's nice. Race to the other side. That's good. That's fucking good. Of course, I lost all my mints, so. How about some mint tea, dog?
Right out of the lake?
Yeah. Mint seaweed, how do you like that? Had a little bit of ephedra, a little mint ephedra concoction. That'll cool you off and give you a nice boost of energy. With that light gray trucker speed. That's the good shit.
a nice little siesta. Spooner Lake, we're moving on to the next one. 5 more miles. All right, 3 miles has eclipsed. I'm 0.6 miles from camp tonight. Ooh, pretty. Just been a 1,200 feet of elevation climb. Last 3.75 miles to the top.
Chicken again. Chicken, all right. There you go.
I got a feeling it's the moment my life's gonna start. I got the feeling when the windows roll down in the car. I got the feeling if I wanna fly, I know that I could. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. The time is on my side. Let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. Above the ceiling, higher than the stars, push through the sky. My heart is beating faster when I got you right by my side. I got a feeling if we wanna run forever, we could. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. That time is on the side. Let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. I got a feeling it's all feeling good. It's all about to start. I got the feeling this heart won't ever stop. No, don't